Okay, so this is how you do a pulse wave analysis measurement using the mobilograph unit. So the first thing you do is get an appropriately sized cuff, and you will put it on the patient's arm. So it's Velcro and it goes through a loop. So you're gonna put it over the patient's arm, and you can just relax your arm now. You're gonna put it over the patient's arm, and you're gonna line this artery indicator over their brachial artery, or close. You're gonna snug down this thing. You can lift your arm again, actually. So you're gonna snug it down here, and then you're just gonna Velcro, snug it, and then you're gonna close the Velcro strap. Then you are going to attach the tube to the mobilograph unit just by pushing it on. Then you will turn on the unit by pressing the red power button, and it's on. The next step is you're going to press this third button, which is the Bluetooth pairing button, and you're going to hold it for about 4 seconds until the display says BT. Then you're going to go to your computer, which already has the HMS software open, and it will take a second, and then it's going to show up a text box with a bunch of different choices. And then here we're going to go to pulse wave analysis. I didn't select the patient. We are going to select a patient, and we'll create a new patient for Rashawn. He is okay, perfect. So now that we have a patient selected, we're going to press the Bluetooth connect button. Now we're going to wait for the box again. Going to press pulse wave analysis, PWA, and we'll click it, and another text box will come up. Another text box will come up. There it is. So it'll say set cuff in place, sitting, and he's seated. Just relax your arm. Just like let it flop. Don't flex at all. Make sure the subject is relaxed, and once he's ready, we'll press OK. It's gonna do a blood pressure measurement, and then it's gonna wait 30 seconds, and it's gonna do another blood pressure measurement and a pulse wave analysis. Here you can look at it. Oops. You can see the pulse wave. It says it has good data quality. And you just press save, and it'll show you the data.